Do you want your child to write on their own when they go to second standard or third standard? Whatever questions they get, like in creative writing or anything? Yes? Then this video is for you, because today in this video I'll be sharing some good strategies on how you can increase vocabulary of your kids. Because if your kids vocabulary is good, they can write answers and sentences on their own. Vocabulary is building up a good word bank in their brain, long-term brain. Okay, so the vocabulary, if we have to build vocabulary in your kids, the first strategy what I give them lot of books to read. They should be reading wide range of books, because by reading books only they can come across different kind of words, unfamiliar words, and they can understand the meaning of the word, and they can also understand the context. In the context, for example, one word can have different meanings. Yes, so based on the context, the meaning of the word will be changed, right? So for example, take the word spoil. Okay, so the context could be different. In one context, you can tell the kid got spoiled because of bad friends. In the other context, it could be the child spoiled her clothes. Yes, both are same, but they have different meaning. So by making them read wide range of books only, they can build that good knowledge on vocabulary. Yes, and the second strategy is play some word games with them. Interesting word games. For example, generally if we go by car with our kids, I'll play this word game. We'll decide on one letter, and we'll be giving examples of different words on that letter itself for at least 5 minutes. If we take A, we should tell all the words which start with letter A. Okay, so in this way they'll start thinking. And to add little bit challenge to your kids, make them think of different sentences. Ask them to write different sentences with the words. Okay, so that is the second strategy. And the third strategy, just make them skim the dictionary. We in this digital era, we are forgetting about our physical books, dictionary. When we are in childhood, we used to look into the dictionary for every meaning. Yes, so just let them skim the dictionary for 2 to 5 minutes, enough. They'll get a fair idea like how words look and what are the meanings, anything. Okay, so make them look at the dictionary. And the fourth one is, suppose if your child learned about any word, for example like solution. Yes, make him learn about the synonyms of solution, synonyms and antonyms. Yes, it's a very powerful way to increase vocabulary in your kids. Take any word, one word, ask him to look at the synonyms and antonyms of that word. Okay, it's very easy, simple and effective strategy. Yes, and the last one and the fifth one I'm giving is, use the spaced repetition. If you want your child to remember that particular word in a long-term memory, okay, so you should follow this procedure. You should learn on the 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 14th, 1 month, 2 months. So you should plan in such a way that words or set of words, 5 words or 10 words, he should revise them in this order. It is called spaced repetition. It is research proven. Okay, so if he revises the words in this 1 day, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 14th, 1 month, 2 months, that word, meaning, everything will be stored in his long-term memory. Okay, so hope these 5 strategies help, and comment below which strategy did you like the most. Yes, I created a simple ebook with only 10 words, okay, where I have given different kind of instructions. Just by learning the 10 words and following those instructions, 10 more words are added into that vocabulary. Okay, so don't forget to download that.